Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. Once again, another Abba song for you today. This Abba song is The Winner Takes It All. We're doing all their top hits one by one. This one's in F sharp. If you look it up online, you might see a couple that are in the wrong key, such as the first one I found, which was in G. Just check that we are recording. We are. First one I found was in G, but it's actually in F sharp. And it starts with that F sharp here. And the melody for the introduction is, that's B, B flat, A flat, G flat. Or if we're calling them in the sharps, it would be B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp. Changing chord now, moving down from F sharp to this one, D sharp minor. And the melody continues. G sharp minor would normally be here. I'm going to move that down so that it's closer, that D sharp. So we had G sharp minor is here. That's your melody for the third chord. And for the last one, the fourth one, the C sharp major chord there. So F sharp major, D sharp minor, G sharp minor, and C sharp major. And again. One more time. He hits an F there at the end to lead us nicely into the verse, and the verse is I don't want to talk. There's your F sharp major chord again. I'm going to play some bass notes now. I'm just going to play the roots of the chords mainly, so hopefully you can see down here. I don't want to talk. The chord actually comes in when she says talk, so I don't want to talk about the things we've gone through. The chords are changing now, so in the introduction that C sharp came as the fourth chord, now it's our second chord. I don't want to talk, F sharp to C sharp, about the things we've gone through. Now G sharp minor, though it's hurting me, C sharp again, now it's history. So it's only really three chords because that C sharp is repeated. It's the second and the fourth chord in the phrase. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play. Alright, that's the verse. Tell you what, I'll show you the chords again. I don't want to talk, F sharp, C sharp, about the things we've gone through. Though it's hurting me, G sharp minor, now it's history. And you repeat those again. Played all my cards, that's what you've done. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play. Into the chorus, the winner takes it all. It's F sharp again. We have a passing chord now, it's A sharp, dominant 7. You see, because here's an A sharp chord, or we'd normally call it B flat normally, but we're in the sharp key, you see. So we're calling it A sharp. Moving that F down so that it's closer to our last chord that we played. And we're putting the 7 in. That's a dominant 7 chord, a blues chord. So the winner takes it all, the loser standing tall. That's our passing chord. And that is that E flat or D sharp minor. Played that before, that was in the introduction. I'm putting a 7 on it. The 7 will always work on a minor chord. Again, the winner takes it all, the loser standing tall. Now it changes to a major on that same chord. Beside the victory. Again, it's a passing chord. G sharp minor. That's her destiny, C sharp. And that's a half chorus because we go straight into the verse. We'll do that short chorus again. Winner takes it all, F sharp. Na, 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 na. That was our passing B flat 7, A sharp, I should say A sharp 7, to E flat or D sharp minor. Major, G sharp minor. That's her destiny. Okay, I was in your arms, we're back to the verse. Thinking I belong there, C sharp major. I figured it made sense, G sharp minor. Building me a fence, C sharp again. Round we go again, F sharp major. Building me a home. Thinking I'd be strong there, C sharp major. But I was a fool, G sharp minor. Playing by the rules, C sharp major. And we're back into the chorus. The gods may throw the dice, their minds as cold as ice. D sharp major passing chord. And someone way down there, G sharp minor, loses someone dear, C sharp major. When it takes it all round again, loser has to fall. Major, simple and it's plain, why should I complain? But tell me, does she kiss, back to the verse, like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Sometimes the pianists, I don't actually know the names of the members of Abba, I should look them up, but the guy who plays the piano in Abba, can't believe I don't know their names, right? But to be honest, they're kind of before my time a little bit. But I do like their songs. Good songs never die. He plays some stuff like that higher up. So he might. I'm sure I remember in this third verse he starts doing some stuff like that. Quite classical. Loses someone dear when it takes it all. Oh, it was further on than that. We're in the verse, aren't we? Tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? What can I? Somewhere deep inside, not skip ahead. You must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. Judges will decide. The likes of me a bride. I should have said, not a bride. The likes of me abide. The spectators of the show always stay low. Also, it's worth noting that, well, we'll finish this chorus. The game is on again. A lover and a friend. Major. A big thing or a small. The winner takes it all. It's worth noting that that melody from the intro does continue for a lot of the song. So for example, in that first verse, I don't want to talk about things that we've gone through, though it's hurting me, now it's history. I think so anyway, but I wouldn't advise trying to do that while you're singing it. That's not going to be easy. Might want to do it in the chorus. Judges will decide. Likes of me abide. Spectators of a show. I think it works much better in the chorus, doesn't it? Always staying low. Apologies, it might actually be only in the choruses, but anyway, that's the melody from the intro. It's played throughout the song. Not always, but it is there. And then we're up to verse 4 already, and obviously it's a repeat. You've seen this verse before. I don't want to talk. If it makes you feel sad, C sharp, and I understand, G sharp minor. You've come to shake my hand. So obviously there are different ways of playing a pop song. I'm just playing the chords very simply for you. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. I would recommend getting these chords down like this, you know? A single octave note, a single bass note, root note of the chord, or you could have octave, and just the standard root position chord, an inversion of C sharp there, closer, you see, make it closer, G sharp minor, again, the closest one. I could have gone up. You can also play C sharp there. Good to know where the chords are, you see, in different places. The same as on guitar. Okay, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence, but you see, the winner takes it all. After that fourth verse, we're into the big chorus at the end, where she's holding the notes. Winner takes it all. She sings it again. Winner takes it all. C sharp. And then we've got this sort of outro where it's so the winner, that melody again, takes it all, G sharp minor, and the loser has to fall. Cold as ice, throw a dice, way down here, someone dear takes it all, and so on and so on. There's also this other melody, which you can double on the piano as well, when it takes it all. Over F sharp. And then the next one is but not C sharp. I should have played, for that second one, the chorus chords, I think, right? So D sharp minor for the second one, and then D sharp up to C sharp over G sharp minor, and then the last one, and again F sharp. We've got C sharp, B, and A sharp. So this is just the melody of the song, right? You're just doubling it. And then don't forget it's the D sharp minor, the next one. Next one is G sharp. Finish on C sharp. And with that B being the dominant 7, making the chord a C sharp dominant sound at the end. Anyway, that's the other melody that you can learn there. And that is basically the whole song. We've done the intro, we've done the verse and choruses, we've done the outro, and then that's it. Again, you can learn it in G, but I've listened to the song and it's not in G, it's in F sharp. And once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, which has been Winner Takes It All by Abba. Don't forget to click like if you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you to learn the song. Have any requests, put them in the comments. Like and subscribe, etc., etc. And see you in the next one. Cheers.